In carbon monoxide poisoning, the SpO2 looks great, but the tissues are starving for oxygen. The red blood cells pass by, but they don't release the oxygen, leaving the tissues rather disappointed. The oxyhemoglobin desaturation curve is shifted to the left, again meaning that the hemoglobin are saturated, but that's kind of the whole problem. They don't let it go. They stay saturated, so the SpO2 looks great. And this leads to tissue hypoxia and the signs and symptoms that we come to expect with CO poisoning. And the answer is oxygen. As much oxygen as they can possibly get. Carboxyhemoglobin half-life reduces when we increase the pressure of oxygen, and the gold standard is atmospheres of oxygen, a hyperbaric chamber.